Hello, my name is Kasahun. I'm here again to give you a brief account of the video we presented in English. The topic was legal realism. What is legal realism? Legal realism is one of the legal theories developed by American legal scholars, which was very popular, especially in 1920s, 1930s, and 1940s. It still stands, it works, it's still valid, even today, but in those days it was especially popular and highly favored. So that was what we covered in our previous video. So just in case you are interested in having it in English, here are some points of that discussion. Legal realism is based on the assumption that, quote, judges do not do what they say they do, rather they do what courts do in fact. That is a statement which expresses legal realism in short. The idea is that it's not true that judges adjudicate cases, make decisions merely on the basis of legal rules. According to legal realists, judges are human beings and cannot resolve cases simply based on legal rules. Instead, judges consider and decide cases in a wider context, in the social context, moral context, cultural context, and even political context. It means that legal rules are not sufficient to decide cases as far as judicial decision is concerned. Therefore, these scholars, the scholars who developed legal realism, are said to have brought law down to earth. They put it into real practice, into practical and realistic situation. Because we usually say that judges are guided only by law and their consciousness. So legal realism rejects that idea and calls it or describes it as a myth or sham. It's not true. That's what they say. It's not true that judges decide cases simply on the basis of law. So that was legal realism, and that was our topic in the Amharic version of our video. I hope that helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.